the topic is Anderson bridge. The Anderson bridge is very much useful to precise measurement of inductors. It measures the range from microhenry to henries. It is the advanced bridge of Maxwell-Wien bridge. The Anderson bridge is shown in the diagram. This is the actual Anderson bridge. Here the arm 1, L1 and R1 is connected in series. R2 in arm 2, R4 in arm arm 4, R3 at arm 3. Apart from that, detector or a galvanometer is connected between the point B and E. Here we are having a capacitor. Here we are having a R5. The input supply is given at point A and C. Here this is called a delta connection. In general, the electrical students are very much familiar in delta connected. This is called a delta connected, or you may studied in electrical circuits. This is delta connected. This one is Y connected or star connected. So the same value we can convert it into star value. The star value is also converted into delta value. Here in the bridge is here this portion is a delta connected. For a mathematical simplification, the delta will be converted into Y. Okay, this is the basic concept. We have to know that. Then the arm 1 consisting of L1 R1 connected in series. The arm 2 consists of only resistor R2. Similarly, arm 4 also having only the resistor R4. The input supply is provided at point A and C, and the detector is at the point B and E. The equation can be easily obtained by converting a delta impedance C R3 R5 to its equivalent star as shown in the diagram. Here delta is converted into star by using a delta star transformation. ZOD, this point is E, then this point is O, then this one is ZOE, this one is ZOD, this point D, this point D, this point is O, ZOD, this one is ZOC. Then ZOD equal to, as per the transformation formula, ZOD equal to, here OD, 2 value you have to consider. This is the point D, you have to consider these two, R3 and R5 divided by total impedance, R3, R5 and C. R3 plus R5 plus C equal to 1 divided by j omega C. Similarly, ZOC, this portion, ZOC equal to R3 into C. R3 into C. C value is 1 by j omega C divided by total impedance, R3 plus R5 plus 1 divided by j omega C. Then Z1 equal to R1 plus j omega L1, Z2 equal to R2, Z3 equal to Z3, I mean this one Z3, this one Z3 equal to ZOC. Z3 is ZOC equal to, already we found R3 divided by j omega C divided by R3 plus R5 1 divided by j omega C. This one R4, I mean Z4 equal to R4 plus ZOD. This is R4. Okay, since it is in a star connection, this is a point O. R4 is included with ZOD. Okay, therefore Z4 equal to R4 plus ZOD. For balance condition, Z1, Z3 equal to Z2, Z4. Z1 value is this one into Z3 value is this one, ZOC equal to Z2 value is R2. Then Z4 equal to ZOD. R4 plus ZOD. This is Z4. then multiply that R1 plus j omega L1 into R3 divided by j omega C1 divided by total impedance R3 plus R5 plus 1 divided by j omega C. Multiply these two, R2 R4, this R2 comes here, this value, then R1 plus j omega L1 into R3 divided by j omega C, this denominator get cancelled. Okay, then R1 plus j omega L1 into R3 j omega C divided R3 divided by j omega C, R2 R4 into R3 plus R5 plus 1 divided by j omega C plus R2 R3 R5. Then take this j to numerator. Okay, multiply this one, R1 R3 divided by j omega C. Then j omega L1 R3 divided by j omega C equal to R2 R4 R3, R2 R4 R5, R2 R4 divided by j omega C, R2 R3 R5. This j comes to numerator, minus j R1 R3 divided by omega C plus L1 j omega get cancelled, L1 R3 divided by C equal to the same value. Okay, this j comes to numerator, minus sign, equating real part and imaginary part. Then take the real part, this is the real part, L1 R3 divided by C equal to real part, this one and this one. Then L1 equal to C comes to here, R3 is coming in denominator. Then L1 equal to C divided by R3 multiplied by this entire value. Then L1 equal to C divided by R3, taking R2 is a common, take it out. Then C divided by C into R2, taking R3 inside. So this R3 get cancelled, this R3 also cancelled, remaining thing R4 into R5 divided by R3. Therefore L1 equal to C R2 multiplied by R4 R5 plus R4 R5 divided by R3. Then imaginary part is this one, minus j R1 R3 divided by omega C equal to minus j R2 R4 omega C. Omega C can get cancelled, j get cancelled, R1 R3 equal to R2 R4. Therefore R1 equal to R2 into R4 divided by R3. L1 is easily detected by above derived equation under the balanced condition. Okay, L1 equal to, substituting the value C, R and R4 R5, then L1 unknown value we can easily found that this L1 equal to C into R2 within bracket R4 R5 and so on. Substituting all this value we can find L1.